What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. If you guys are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification. That way you never miss a future upload. For today's video, I wanted to share with you guys some pieces that I got from Yvette Sports. But before we get too far into the video, I did want to thank Yvette Sports for sponsoring today's video. I'm super excited to be working with them because I feel like activewear in general can be super tricky, especially for the plus size body. I have gone through countless activewear pieces that just miss the mark, and some of them miss the mark by like a landslide. So when I received these pieces, I just truly could not believe the quality. They are super high quality, thick, they're not see-through, but even though they're thick, they're still like stretchy and they like fit. Yvette Sports goes from size extra small all the way to 5X, so they're super inclusive when it comes to sizing, which is always fantastic. And they actually have a like high impact sports bra collection that helps keep the girls in the perfect spot. That way it reduces the risk of injury while working out. I feel like because of not only the quality but the price point, this activewear, I mean, it's good for everyone, but I feel like especially good for a student, someone who is playing a sport for their school, whether that be high school, college, whatever it may be. The pieces are so well made, you know they're not gonna fall apart, they're gonna last a lifetime, and that price point is not gonna break the bank. As a plus size gal myself, not having activewear that I feel comfortable in definitely has like kept me from working out on more than one occasion. So Yvette Sports is kind of aimed for women of all age groups, all sizes, to feel comfortable in what they're working out in and to get out there and be active. They do have a size guide on their website, so be sure to check that out. I'm super excited to show you guys all the pieces that I got. I'm gonna try them on for you, kind of explain a little bit about each one, and I will have all of that information linked down below. I will also have my measurements linked down below so you guys can kind of compare to see what size you might be. Also, before we get into the try on portion, Yvette Sports gave me a couple different coupon codes for you guys. So if you use code Nicole15, that will save you 15% off of your purchase. Or if you're spending over $109, you can use code Nicole20 to save you 20% off. That's a deal, because like I said, it's already super affordable. So all of that information will be linked down below. All right, the very first item is this sports bra here. This is called the Echo for a Clean Ocean high impact sports bra, and it is in this beautiful mauve-y, like dusty purple color. I am in love with it. I would say the best part is the cups, because they are actually sewn in. You don't have to worry about any kind of a cup getting lost in the wash. They are secure in there, which is always nice. And then also the back is adjustable. It's kind of like a regular bra. The back on this one has this like crisscross action going on, which is really nice as well. So all of the pieces that I'm showing you today have a Cool Max technology, which helps with external damages such as UV exposure, sweat, any type of sunscreen or lotion. All of those products can degrade the spandex yarn over time. So this has that technology that prevents that from happening, which is fantastic. This sports bra in particular is 75% polyester and 25% elastane. This one's designed for high impact sports. It has a firm hold with a crisscross back. You can customize the fit because, like I said, the back strap is adjustable. The size range for this particular sports bra is an extra small to 5X, and it comes in 4 different colors. Next up, we have the Limitless sports bra in this really pretty like deep red color. I actually really love this color a lot, and I don't think I own another sports bra in this color, so it's really nice. This sports bra is 80% polyester and 20% elastane. This one is actually specifically designed for women with large breasts, which I don't see a lot of out there. I don't see sports bras that are specifically for women with larger breasts. So this is really nice. It does come with a wide shoulder strap to relieve pressure on your shoulder and your back. So with this sports bra, it actually has this zipper detailing in the front. So you kind of put it on like a vest and zip it up, which is kind of cool. I don't think I've ever had a sports bra like that before. I think that kind of has to do with women with larger breasts. It just makes it easier to put on. This one also has a size range of extra small to a 5X, and this one actually comes in 6 different colors. All right, next up we have a pair of workout like biker shorts. and it's in this beautiful, beautiful blue color. These are the Echo for a Clean Ocean women's sustainable bike shorts, and they are everything to me and more. I picked mine up in a size 2X. I thought the fit was great. These bike shorts are 75% polyester and 25% elastane. These were also designed for high impact sports. It has a high-waisted, wide waistband that kind of makes you feel sucked in. I love that these shorts are so soft, but they're also super supportive. They have like a 5-way stretch technology, so no matter what you're doing, these are gonna move with your body. The size range for these are extra small to 5X, and it comes in 4 different colors. All right, I got a pair of workout leggings, and these are just in black, my favorite color. These are really nice. I got these in a size 2X. I have to refer to the website because I forget the name. These are the Shift Light Flex Women's Light Support Leggings. They are made of 75% polyester, 25% elastane. Now these ones were designed for low impact sports and daily wear. When I tell you guys these ones are so flippin' comfortable, like I cannot get over it. I mean, they're all comfortable, but these were like on another level. They have mesh panels on the bottom and wick sweat away, and they dry super fast. These ones go up to a size 2X, so the size range is extra small to 2X, and they just come in this one color, which is, in my opinion, the best color. All right, the last item is a black sports bra. And this one is probably one of my favorites. The detailing on the back is so beautiful. Once again, let me refer to the website to see what the name of this one is. This is the Power Back Women's High Support Running Sports Bra. It's made of 78% polyester, 22% elastane. This one is wire-free. It's built for high-impact sports. The encapsulated cups support each breast individually. The straps, the way they crisscross in the back, is specifically designed for your comfort. You can adjust the back. It is kind of like a regular bra, so you can adjust the size. This particular sports bra comes in 7 different colors. You can get it in a size extra small all the way up to a 5X. It also supports cup size A all the way through F, so definitely a pretty large range, which is nice. So those were the 5 items that I got from Yvette Sports. I love that they are all like basic colors, so I can kind of mix and match. So although I got 5 items, I can come up with like a million different looks. So I love that about them. I love the quality. Once again, price point is just on point, and I am just super, super impressed overall. If you guys are interested in any of these items or anything on their website, I will have all of the links down below. Don't forget to use the coupon code if you guys would like to purchase, save you guys some coin. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you again to Yvette Sports for sponsoring today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!